In a bustling Parisian kitchen, chefs prepare for Pancake Day, flipping thin, golden crepes with precision. The aroma of butter fills the air as patrons eagerly await their turn to savor these delicate treats, a tradition rooted in French culinary history. In the heart of London, the streets are alive with the sound of laughter and the sight of pancake races. Participants, clad in aprons, dash through the cobblestone lanes, flipping pancakes in their pans, a nod to the city's unique way of celebrating Shrove Tuesday. In a cozy New York diner, stacks of fluffy American pancakes are served with generous drizzles of maple syrup. The comforting sight of syrup cascading down the sides of the pancakes evokes a sense of warmth and indulgence, a staple of American breakfast culture. In Tokyo, a modern cafe offers a twist on tradition with Japanese soufflé pancakes. These airy, jiggly creations are a visual delight, towering on plates as patrons capture the moment with their cameras, blending culinary art with social media. In a quaint Germany village, the scent of Kaiserschmarrn wafts through the air. This shredded pancake, dusted with powdered sugar and served with fruit compote, is a beloved treat, reflecting the region's rich culinary heritage and love for hearty desserts. In the vibrant streets of Rio de Janeiro, vendors sell tapioca pancakes, a Brazilian favorite. Made from cassava flour, these chewy delights are filled with sweet or savory ingredients, showcasing the diverse flavors of Brazilian cuisine. In Moscow, blini are prepared with care, their thin, round forms reminiscent of the sun. Served with caviar or sour cream, these pancakes are a symbol of prosperity and are enjoyed during Maslenitsa, a festival marking the end of winter. In a bustling Mumbai market, vendors craft dosa, a savory pancake made from fermented rice and lentil batter. The sizzling sound of the batter hitting the hot griddle draws crowds, eager to enjoy this South Indian specialty with spicy chutneys. In the serene countryside of Sweden, families gather to enjoy ragmuck, a potato pancake served with lingonberries and pork. The rustic setting and hearty meal reflect the simplicity and warmth of Swedish culinary traditions. In the lively streets of Addis Ababa, injera, a sourdough flatbread, is a staple. Made from teff flour, this spongy pancake serves as both plate and utensil, embodying the communal dining experience central to Ethiopian culture. In the historic city of Rome, crispelle are served in elegant trattorias. These Italian pancakes, often filled with ricotta and spinach, are baked to perfection, offering a taste of Italy's rich culinary tapestry and love for layered flavors. In the bustling markets of Istanbul, gosling, a savory Turkish pancake, is prepared on large griddles. Filled with spinach, cheese, or mincemeat, these crispy delights are a testament to Turkey's vibrant street food culture. In the picturesque villages of Austria, Palatzschinken are rolled with apricot jam and dusted with sugar. These thin pancakes, reminiscent of crepes, are a sweet treat enjoyed by locals and visitors alike, reflecting Austria's love for desserts. In the colorful streets of Mexico City, hotcakes are served with a drizzle of cajeta, a caramel-like sauce. These thick pancakes, a fusion of local and international influences, are a popular breakfast choice, showcasing Mexico's culinary diversity. In the bustling city of Seoul, hotteok, a sweet Korean pancake filled with brown sugar and nuts, is a winter favorite. The sight of steam rising from the griddles and the sweet aroma draws crowds, eager to enjoy this warm, comforting treat.